Welcome back on this Monday morning. We are kicking off the month of November with a wintry trend. We are still going to have rain and snow mix, snow showers as we continue over the next several days through about Wednesday. Our temperature trend will be slightly below normal to help support the snow that we will see. And then by the end of the week, that's when our temperatures respond a little bit and become more seasonal. We start to see an increase in our temperatures. But for snowfall amounts, it's going to be this wet, slushy snow that we are already seeing, kind of started yesterday, and it's still ongoing in some places. So through about Wednesday night, most places in the higher elevations to near 2 inches of snow, but some areas could push a little bit higher tthan that. Now this is isolated. Not everyone is going to see 1 to 3 inches of snow by any means, and especially if you're in the southern counties like parts of Dickinson and Menominee and into Delta counties, not really going to see that wet snow. Currently seeing the wet snow in the interior western counties, southern Houghton County, all the way down into parts of Baraga along US 41 through Covington, parts of western Marquette County, as well as right over Baraga. And then right along Lake Superior for parts of Alger and Luce counties, we're generally seeing some light rain as it's a little bit milder there. Farther inland, we've seen that transition to wet snow as it's a little bit cooler there along 123 down to just north of McMillan and Newberry. Temperatures this afternoon into the 30s across the west end, so that will help support the snow showers in the higher elevations, and then a little bit milder to the south and east where we will see those daytime highs in the low to mid 40s this afternoon. Here's your hour by hour for today. We'll still have those rain, snow mix, snow showers, more in the way of the snow in the interior locations, more in the way of rain to the east where it will be milder. This is noon. Here we go for the afternoon and into the overnight hours. It's also going to be a little bit breezy. Our northwest winds will push right around 15 to 18 miles per hour at times. So this is what's happening and why we're going to continue with this trend. We have a mid area of low pressure just to our north in Canada with this big broad trough right overhead. What that's going to do is it's going to help bring in a couple of waves of energy on the periphery of it right through parts of the UP and the Great Lakes. That's going to be enough to trigger some of those rain, snow mix, snow showers here over the coming days and keep us with the cooler and chilly air. Here we go for your Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Mainly snow along those northwest wind belts because it is going to be a little bit cooler, and I do think that tomorrow will generally be cooler across the area for pretty much the entire UP. Mainly 30s tomorrow to help support these lake effect snow showers continuing into early Wednesday morning as well. But by Thursday, most of which will be tapering off, will then transition to a little bit more of a seasonal and milder trend into the 40s for your Friday, and then back to right around the 50 degrees.